In front of me is NOKIA G42, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Permissions Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Following that, tap on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's options that you wish to manage, like camera. Finally, you can simply tap on one of your apps and adjust the best option for you by clicking on it. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with don't allow, so when I tap, in this case I need to choose don't allow anyway in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, messages no longer have access to my device's camera. But you can always select any feature to access an app that you wish to manage. For example, I will go into camera to access my Amazon shopping. Now, instead of tapping on one of those options, select See All Amazon Shopping Permissions and manage all of them only for a chosen app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!